Serena, I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back with another video and I am super excited because I have been like really obsessed with Labubus recently. These are so cute and I finally got my hands on like the keyring ones and I thought it'd be so cute to make little outfits for them. This is the one that I made so far. This is mine. I'm matching with her. She's so cute, but my sister thought it was so cute, so she asked me to make some for her Labubus as well. She's a little bit more obsessed than I am, but I don't really like how this one turned out, so I think I'm gonna try and remake a better outfit for her, and I'm still deciding what I want to do with this cute little grey boy right here. But I thought I would bring you guys along with me. But yeah, if you want to see the clothes that I come up with them, I'll insert like a finished product so you guys can see what I do end up creating. But before we get started, I wanted to quickly shout out today's sponsor. Thank you so much to Tokyo Treats and Sakura Co for sponsoring today's video. I literally am so obsessed with my boxes. It's so exciting having this shop at my doorstep. Literally look how gorgeous this packaging. It is absolutely beautiful. Tokyo Treats is a monthly fun and exclusive Japanese snack box featuring unique and seasonal flavored snacks from all around Japan. Each box is filled with a variety of up to 20 fun and exclusive Japanese snack items, including limited edition Kit Kats, unique flavored chips, sometimes even like sodas that are only available in Japan for a limited time. So it's so exciting receiving a box because you never know what you're gonna get. And this month's box is Snacktastic Halloween. Oh my gosh, look how cute all of the Halloween themed snacks are. Australia isn't really that big on like Halloween. We don't really celebrate it that much, so I'm super excited to get into the Halloween spirit with this Tokyo Treat box because it literally looks so cute. I get so jealous of like places that do Halloween sometimes because it just seems like such a fun and festive like time of the year to dress up and look really cute and everything. So this is literally so exciting. I cannot wait to rummage through this, and I know that my family gets super excited every single time a box arrives at my doorstep. They just love discovering all the different snacks that each box has, and of course like the little pamphlet that it comes with has information about all the different snacks in each box. And of course we can't forget about the Sakura Co boxes. Sakura Co is a monthly artisan Japanese snack box that support local snack makers. They have like up to 20 authentic traditional and artisan Japanese snacks, including Japanese teas and also like a cute little Japanese tableware item, which I look forward to every single month. Always so cute. This box's theme is the colors of Kyoto. How absolutely gorgeous is that? I love Kyoto. Kyoto is definitely like one of my favorite cities in Japan. I visited it so many times, but I feel like I never really kind of like delve into their snacks just because I don't really know what I'm looking for whenever I go. So I'm so excited to find things because I swear Sakura Co literally curates some of the best snack items ever, and I discover something new with every single box, so I literally just love going through it. It also comes with a little pamphlet with all the information about each snack, so I cannot wait. I feel like sometimes with like traditional kind of snacks with Japan, it's hard to know what you like and also kind of hard to even really know what you're looking for. So I love that I can find them or like even know what to try with the Sakura Co boxes. And of course like the little pamphlet tells you information about all the snacks inside the box, as well as like allergies and even like sometimes how they're made or what people eat them for, which I love. I love learning something new with like the snacks that I get to eat. It's so exciting. So of course if you want to experience Japan from the comfort of your home or even like grab a box to share with yourself or your loved ones, definitely click the link down in the bio or use my discount code ARENA at checkout. But let's get on with the rest of the video. So I'm just gonna start by making her a cute little necklace, and I'm using a clear elastic string and I'm just gonna feed some white pearls through. I wanted to go for fairy vibes for the green Labubu, and I have these cute lily of the valley earrings that I never wear, so I thought I would take them apart and add it as the charm to the pearl necklace. Yay, now that the necklace is done, I'm going to create a little lace skirt, and I'm just using some lace trim that I got from Daiso, and I'm wrapping it around the Labubu and then just sewing it at the end to create a little skirt. I really wanted to create a cute fairy Labubu, and I don't really know how to make wings, but I found this scrunchie that I have, and it's a really pretty shiny fabric and it has a bow detail attached, and I thought that the big bow kind of looked like wings, so I'm just going to put it around the Labubu as a top and hope that the bow at the back looks like little fairy wings. I finished making my little green Labubu, and now I'm gonna start trying to like fix my sister's one, because this is just not the vibes. I don't think it looks that cute. I used like some old fabric from a like sleeve, and I made her a little necklace, and I lost the ribbon. I took off the blue ribbon and now I don't know where I put it. I actually used a scrunchie for this like bow thing. Like it's actually a scrunchie, and I was going through my scrunchie collection and I found this little one. I got 2 of them for free because I spent like a certain amount. So I think I'm gonna use this scrunchie and kind of make a tutu. And I also have this piece of ribbon here. This is like such lazy, like if you don't know how to sew or anything, like this is like easy hacks for making Labubu clothes. But I'm gonna use a little ribbon and create a top with it. But before I like add it, I think I'm gonna change the little charm on the necklace that I made. Found these ones. Kind of looks like the Van Cleef logo, which I think she'll really like. So I think I'm going to change the little charm out for this little 4-leaf clover instead, just because I think it'll suit her a little bit more. Yeah, I could probably like take the necklace off, but I'm just going to switch out the charms. Make sure it's facing the front. Perfect. Super cute. I think that like suits her a little bit more, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this like piece of ribbon just to stop the ends from fraying. Of course, I'm gonna use a little bit of fire. I think that this ribbon will go really nice with this tutu color, so let's try and create like a little top. I think I might do 3 layers so it looks like a top. But 1, 2, and then 1 more, kind of like that, so it looks like a top. And I'm gonna wrap it around the sleeves, just it looks like a little tank top. Wrap it around her little arm. No sewing required, and I'm gonna tie a little bow at the back. Bow is not looking too cute. I will fix that later. I think she's looking real cute, and then now we just have to add her little tutu on. I feel like it's already looking so much cuter than the white dress. I'm gonna fan out the skirt a little bit to make it look a little bit cuter. She's so cute. She looks like a little princess with her little silk top and then little tutu. Super cute. And now I just have 1 more. I have realized while making these that I am a lot better at making accessories than I am at making actual clothes. So I think for this little boy, I think I'm gonna try and just make him some cute accessories, because I have this plushie right here and he's so cute. I love him. I want to try and make some glasses for this one because my sister's actually an optom, so I think little glasses would be super cute. So I think I'm gonna make little glasses and a bag. I'm gonna see. I was looking at his glasses and I think that they're just a wire, and I have this gold wire here, so I'm gonna try and recreate it. I'm a little bit nervous because this wire is a lot thicker than the wire that I have, but I'm just gonna try and see if I can make some glasses for him. But yeah, I think for this little boy, I'm just gonna make glasses and a bag. So let's go. I'm gonna try and use this width to make the circle, just to get like a cleaner circle, because I think this is a good size on this bottle. So I think it'll be easier to get like a perfect circle if I just follow this. So this is as good as I could get the glasses to look. Honestly, I feel like they turned out pretty okay, except one eye is bigger than the other. But let's ignore that because honestly it was actually kind of hard. I still think it's really cute. Look, he's so adorable. I think I'm just gonna like stitch the glasses on because that's how these ones are attached. These ones are smaller. Maybe I should have made them a bit smaller, but his eyes are like bigger and further apart, so I made them big. But I think they're just like sewn into the sides. I like made little loops on the ends of the glasses as well, just so I could sew them in. Can you tell one side is bigger? I hope not. Okay, so I just added his little glasses onto him and they look literally so adorable. I'm obsessed. Hopefully my sister likes them. But I wanted to give him a little baggie like this guy, but I absolutely sucked at sewing, as I have figured out when I tried to make the white dress for the blue Labubu. So I found this little keyring, and I think I'm gonna make him like a little chain bag and a little bubble tea accessory because I think that's gonna be really, really cute. So I'm actually gonna swap this like little thing out. Honestly, you could like use any cute keyring that you have. I always like to take things apart that I don't really use much and just turn them into other things. I'm gonna take this out and swap it for a gold one because I think I want to add it onto a string of gold pearls. Isn't too hard. So I have the silver one that I took out, and I have little gold ones, like I don't know what these are called, like eye hooks or something, and then a string of pearls I think I'm going to use to create like a little side bubble tea holder for him. Perfect. Yay, look at that. A cute little gold eyelet hook. I have two types of pearls. I have like this one and then this one that has a gold chain, but I think I'm gonna go with this one just because I think it stands out a little bit more on the little Labubu. Like this long is good enough. Take some of these, open her up, and add the little bubble tea on one side. Oh, I think it's a little bit long. I think I need to make it a bit shorter. I think that's a better length. And now he has a little bubble tea. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Maybe I can add like other little charms to it as well to make it look cuter. But I think for now that's pretty cute if I do say so myself. So I just finished making the last little accessory for my little grey guy, which is a little bubble tea pouch. I hope my sister likes it because it's really cute. So this one's pretty simple. It's just like glasses and then a little boba pouch, just because I did not know how to sew a bag. I was looking at pictures and I wish I knew how to crochet because I feel like crocheting a little bag would be like absolutely adorable. But I think I'm just going to settle for a cute little bubble tea pouch. And then of course we have the little princess here. She has a ribbon as a top and then a tulle scrunchie as her skirt, and then I made her the little pearl necklace with the fake Crystal Van Cleef necklace because I feel like that's really my sister's style. And then this one is my one, which is the first one I made, and she has a scrunchie as a top with a really cute bow in the back to give the illusions of little fairy wings. And then I just made her a cute little lace skirt, and of course I made the little green one a little pearl necklace as well. And I added a little what's it called, lily of the valley kind of flower charm on it. It was actually from a pair of earrings that I didn't really wear, and I thought that the colors matched the little green Labubu well, so I ended up adding it as the charm on my little baby green Labubu, which is super cute. I honestly personally think that they turned out really well, and every single item was super easy to make. Like, I feel like the hardest thing to make was probably the glasses. The little metal frame glasses was hard to make, but I feel like once you kind of get down like making the circle shape right the first time, it's honestly probably really easy to remake. But super easy for people that like don't know how to sew, because the only thing I really sewed was the skirt, like the lace skirt, which was really simple. So honestly, like super cute accessories. I was gonna try to make them clothes, but then I realized that I ended up just making them all accessories instead, because I'm a lot better at making accessories than I am at making clothes. But they turned out so cute. I'm literally so happy with how they all turned out. I think it's adorable, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, if you want to support me and my channel, definitely feel free to check out Tokyo Treats and Sakura Code down in the description below, or use my discount code ARENA at checkout. But I hope you guys enjoyed these types of videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!